Hello everybody, my name is Malik Minor. I am a student here, obviously. I am a student for the Family Consumer Science Culinary Division, and I'm here to show you how to make an easy peasy mac and cheese in a mug in your dorm. So, first things first, I have a half a cup of mac and cheese, half a cup of milk, half a cup of broccoli florets, chopped finely. Then I have a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then a half a cup of cheese. So, first things first, I have to, I'm gonna set this down right now. I have a half a cup of milk, pour it into this mug. Voila. Then you might want to stir it up a little bit to get it corporately all around into the noodles, all in the holes and everything. So, there's that. Then, you add the garlic powder. Stir that again too. Last but not least, the broccoli florets. I'm going to use 4 to 5. So, after you do that, then you head to the microwave for 1 minute to 2 minutes. Stir it constantly after every minute and then add the cheese. Alright, so now we're going to put the mug in the microwave. She's done, but not yet. So, it's going to be a little hot, so you want to get a towel. Grab the handle. It's going to be a little messy, so that's why you got to get the towel too. Then, you're going to have to stir it up a little bit to make sure it gets evenly incorporated as far as the milk and the noodles getting cooked properly. Then, back in the microwave for another minute. The microwave is a little messy because of the fact that the milk is foaming up. So now, I'm going to add the cheese. Ooh, this one, that's okay. And as I'm stirring, the cheese should be melting, and it is, because the milk is hot enough for it to be melting. And once I stir this completely, I'm going to put it back in for a couple more seconds. Not too long now, but a couple more seconds, and it should be done. We're not going to keep it in for the whole minute, just a couple more seconds. Ooh-wee. And here you have mac and cheese in a mug. Time to taste. I get the broccoli and the noodles. Bon appetit. I will say, it is hot, so be careful. But it is good. Ooh-wee, that's good. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more of this, check out a hashtag JSUFCS.